What's up, guys? This is my 96 Civic CX 5-speed. This is a one family owned car. See, it's got scratches. Its headlights are OEM. Runs well, drives well. This is the CX model. So it's the lightest of all the EK chassis, 5-speed manual. Has factory added cold air conditioning. So you can see it's got its fair share of bumps and bruises, but it's all stock. It's all original paint, all original end to end. This car has never been modified, so hard to find one that's completely original paint. The paint's not even too shabby, but you know, anyway, it runs well, drives well, clean title, smogged yesterday, more scratches. But yeah, that's what I can tell you about the car. One family that had it since new, so it's not been through 15 different people. It's really hard to find these that are bone stock and not modified. And it is a 5-speed car as well. So, interior's really clean. Super clean interior. Back seats. But yeah, this thing is very clean. Headliner's clean. 170,000 miles. Factory air conditioning. My coffee. But yeah, this thing's pretty darn clean. You know, I'm not gonna ask a fortune for it. I sold one of these, a 98 recently with similar miles for like $6 grand. It also had ding scratches and a beat up body. So this car is gonna be priced at $4 grand, which is really, really cheap. Original radiator. Yeah. So if you're interested, like, subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, Spencer's Hondas. Thanks, guys.